Grab a napkin.
Why?
You're going to eat my Imperial Fist!
Hello and welcome back to the Kieran Show. My name's Kieran, his name is Kieran, and we are doing another Army Cost video. This time, it's another Space Marine colour.
Yeah, I've been allowed to put my crayons on the paper and put it on the fridge again.
Here we go again. Unbelievable.
I don't know if this one comes out before or after Grey Knights, but...
You're welcome.
Get ready / go back and watch that.
Yeah, don't watch it again if you have seen it. But good luck when you're about to. So yeah, that's weird talking about time as a construct.
This
we
time,
digress.
We're talking about The Simpsons.
Oh, yes, I suppose so. I suppose we are, yes.
Lisa Simpson is here with a new mini.
The Sons of Rogel Dorn. Unbelievable. Here we are. We never thought this day would come. A new Lysander, a new shade of yellow. People can stop shouting about your yellow tutorial that you've done. Oh my goodness me.
Watch it.
Yeah, again, and then like it and bookmark it and share it and do all those other things.
Send it to your nan that definitely wants to paint her fence yellow and she wants to use 3 colours to do it.
It's true. She does.
She's just there with pink paint and white paint like, woo!
Don't even ask her, just send it to her. But yeah, here we are talking about Imperial Fists. How was it to make the list?
Really hard.
Oh, that's surprising.
Because, I might mention once or twice, I quite like the boys in yellow.
Yes. Yeah, no, you have made that.
I've done an army about them every now and again, you know.
Yeah, you've made that a pretty consistent message, which is good.
Yeah, I quite like yellow. So this was hard because, spoilers, I haven't put the Hammerfall bunker in here, but real Imperial Fist players would buy one.
Is it even good?
I don't think it's ever been good.
It just looks like a terrain piece.
Yeah.
I mean, it's better than the servo turret, so we'll take that. I'm saying I'd probably run.
I mean, if you're a
one of those
real Imperial
whenever
Fist player, you buy 3 Hammerfall bunkers.
Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those mechanics in game that just complicates me. So I just
complicates you.
Yeah. Why would you have a terrain feature in a game? I don't understand it. It's all nonsense to me. Don't get it. So we move on.
Let's get into this.
Let's do it.
This is accurate MUNITORUM Field Manual 3.3, which at the time of recording was released a couple of days ago. And it's always, as we always say, GW RRP prices. So this is the max it will be.
Yep. Cool. Nice. Jumping straight in.
Straight in with potentially the best combat patrol of this edition.
Oh, I can't wait to rank them. Can't wait to rank them. Finally, at the end of this edition.
You've been there, hovering over the button. I want to put the Grey Knights one at the bottom.
Yeah, just stop. Just like I feel like that meme with Ralph Simpson, Ralph Wiggum, where he's like, "No, make it stop." Yeah, just painful.
Yeah, so we're going to start off with one of the best combat patrols of 10th edition, and that's the Imperial Fists combat patrol.
There it is.
I've done something weird with it though.
Oh, of course you have.
I bought 2 of them.
Oh, well, that's not weird.
However,
all right,
we only build 1 company of heroes.
Okay.
The other one are just wall-to-wall bits.
Fine, but then you have 5 minis.
You just cut up.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, you're just not going to run. You're not going to run 10 company of heroes.
How many company heroes do you need?
Don't know.
Can you make just about? You sound,
I just know. Like, how many can I run?
You sounded confused and upset. I just don't know.
I guess you could technically run 3.
Yeah, like at what point do they stop being the company of heroes and are they just like a triad of to make up for the I don't know. Continue, please.
Yeah,
before
so
I confuse myself.
I've only got 1 company of heroes in this that's actually being played. The other ones are getting cut up because it's an unreal kit. It's just wall to wall gourmet bits. You cut up the other bits and put them on stuff as we go further down. We've then got, in total, 10 heavy intercessors.
Hell yeah, baby.
These are wicked in yellow, slightly biased.
Yeah, maybe a bit biased.
I'd love to put 30 of these in my Imperial Fist army.
Yeah, Thick City for sure.
So, Company Heroes is 105 points for 1, and then the Heavy Intercessors are 200 points for 10. With damage 2 heavy bolt rifles.
It's quite cheap, isn't it, really?
Pretty good. We've then got the Terminators.
Okay.
10 total, 340 points.
Nice. This is Thick City.
Yeah, this is a wicked box.
Yeah, it really is. Yeah, nice.
If that wasn't enough,
for
the Fist in Goodness.
For the Fist... Well,
that's
sus. Continue.
We've then got 10 Intercessors. Just to hold objectives and do...
What, just regulars?
Yeah, just regulars.
Fair.
There's an argument you could make that... So you could take the company heroes you're going to cut up, stick all these bits to the normal Intercessors and run them as Kit Bash Sternguard.
Oh, that's true enough, actually. Yeah, maybe that's...
It's probably not a bad idea. Well, the points might be slightly different.
Or they would be slightly different, but yeah.
I'm not going to do that math. But yeah, we've got 10 intercessors total.
Cool.
Pretty good value for £100 a box. I mean, we're buying 2, so it's 200 quid.
Nice. I mean, to be fair, like even I suppose if you were running in a game, we could just have the 2 5-man units of intercessors running amok and getting in with loose objectives, doing actions, whatever. Fine.
Doing everything that's not fun.
And then moving the yellow wall forwards. Cool. Nice.
Good little combat patrol box, isn't it?
It is very, very good. I don't like Space Marines at all, but just knowing that you don't even have to opt for the Imperial Fist Yellow, you could just use that as... It is the best example of a Space Marine box. So, yeah.
I mean, I'm pretty sure, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, because it hasn't actually been delivered to anybody yet. I'm pretty sure it comes with an upgrade sprue in it as well. 1 or 2.
Yeah, let us know down below.
If it does, you use them on the next bits to come. Right. We've now got...
Yeah, this is where it becomes uncharted territory.
Now got Lisa Simpson to lead those 10 Terminators.
What do you mean?
Darnath Lysander.
Oh, right, okay. Not sure why she's Lisa, but okay.
Because yellow and the L.
All right, a loose connection. Excellent. Continue.
This show is full of loose connections,
No, that's
particularly in here and here.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah, so we've got Darnath Lysander, so he's a pimping new mini. 100 points.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think he makes Terminators pretty good as well, judging by the rules and a couple of back reps I've seen.
Yeah.
Not bad for a Terminator mini.
Yeah, Terminator mini. Let's roll with it. Cool.
We then need to buy another character.
Oh, yeah.
Because as a Fist player, you're blessed with 2.
2 whole characters.
Duke Nukem.
Ah, of course.
Tor Garadon.
Yeah.
The Fist.
Yeah, for sure. It's a big one. It's a big fist.
Absolutely. So he's 90 points. So he leads your heavy intercessors.
Nice. Very cool.
And he's also 28 quid.
Yeah, cool. It's all in the fist.
We don't need no more boots on the ground now.
Oh, that's all right.
We're now into thick city.
Oh, we've gone from thick to thick.
We've gone from THICK to THICC.
Double C thick. You know how they pronounce that? Thick! Nice, continue. What's in the list?
First up, we've got Balistus Dreadnought.
Oh, okay. Can you buy those on their own?
Yeah.
All right, fair. Are they still the push fit ones?
I think it's the same sprue that came in Leviathan, yeah.
Yeah, boring.
Weird.
I was really disappointed they didn't release that as a...
Proper, changeable kit.
Yeah, just like different options.
So I've only bought 1.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
There was a version of this list where I had 2.
Yeah.
In either corner, just like laser beaming across.
Laser. Nice.
So Balistus Dreadnought is 150 points.
Fair. Yeah.
44 quid.
44 for a push fit model is really quite dear, isn't it?
Especially with what is next.
Oh.
When you compare them in terms of kits. So next up we've got the Redemptor Dreadnought.
Obviously. How many?
Only 1.
Oh, okay, fair.
So 195 points now.
Yep.
Because they got a points drop recently.
Points drop. Crazy. Continue, please.
£47.50.
So there is how much difference between the push fit nonsense?
£3.
£3 difference?
You can probably pick it up quite cheap on eBay from people that bought Leviathan.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's not great value.
No, it isn't.
Can't condone that. But when it's painted yellow, it'll all look cool anyway.
I guess so. There's some sort of logic there somewhere.
Also, you're listening to the advice of 2 people that both already have a Balistus Dreadnought.
I don't.
You had 1.
Yeah, I mean, I painted it for Leviathan and then we gave it away in a channel giveaway. So when you wrapped us all in together there, just on your own there.
Slide on out.
Yeah, that's it. God's little soldier. Continue.
Next, to reinforce the siege wall or whatever's going on, 2 Gladiator Lancers.
Wow. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't sure what to expect.
2 laser destructors.
Wow.
This is your lasers. Ping, 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 ping.
Fair. You know what? Wow. Yeah, fair enough. Wow, that's actually really quite sick.
320 points for the 2 of them.
Yeah, fair.
£114.
That's a woof, but yeah, fair enough. That's actually quite cool. So is that it? It's not.
No,
oh my god,
no.
what's to come?
So we've got a Repulsor Executioner now.
Wow! What on earth is going?
3 lasers.
That is ridiculous. This is Thick City. My god.
220 points.
That is fierce.
£71.50 for the Repulsor Executioner.
Disgusting.
We are not done.
What do you mean?
There's a squad of Eradicators.
Oh, good.
For 100 points and £37.
This seems expensive.
I really like this list.
Is it expensive?
It's not.
Okay, well,
it's not Grey Knight's cheap. Spoilers / callback.
Yeah, callback for sure. Let's have a quick scroll down the list.
So,
go for it.
2 combat patrols.
Yep.
Lysander, Tor Garadon, Balistus Dreadnought, Redemptor Dreadnought, 2 Gladiator Lancers, a box of Eradicators, and a Repulsor Executioner. 1,980 points.
Still not even the 2,000. Good loss.
20 points for a Champion of the Feast enhancement, or whatever you want to give to someone.
You can't do that to anyone, can you? Because they're named characters.
No, it's true.
Can you give Company of Heroes an enhancement?
You might be able to, I'm not sure.
No, don't quote us on it. Cool.
I mean, I'm only a Space Marine player.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, you're absolutely right. That's made me angry. Continue.
Yeah, so you've got some points left over to maybe do some cool things. Have a guess how many pounds this would cost. Bear in mind
it's a lot.
2 Dreadnoughts and 3 tanks and 2 combat patrols and 2 characters and a box of Eradicators.
I'll be honest, it seems to me quite dear. I think if you're spending like 200
quid on the combat patrols.
No, it was the tanks mainly. So what's that, like 200?
114 for the 2 Gladiator Lancers and then 71.50 for the Repulsor Executioner.
Yeah, so close to £200 again.
Don't just work it out, just guess.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Probably nearer to 700, I'm thinking. So I'm thinking like 660, 670.
£627.50.
Don't want to say it's good.
It's not good. I mean,
it's expensive, but there's a lot of big things in that list.
Yeah, it's 3 tanks and 2 dreadnoughts.
It's crazy that 3 tanks, 2 dreadnoughts, 2 characters, and 2 combat patrols doesn't fill 2,000 points. But that's just me. I will get over that. I think it's probably to do with the points decreases, I'm sure, as well.
Yeah, Space Marines are a horde army now.
Yeah, well, 40k. Good. What are you going to do?
In terms of US dollars, 1,033. Yeah. Euroland, 803 euros and 50 cents.
Nice.
And the Wombat Hellscape, 1,704 and 50 cents.
That's a lot of dollar dues. Goodness me.
I mean, before I hear you on the click-clack machine, I know it's relative. It just sounds like a lot when you're trading sterling.
It is a lot, yeah. And people talk about tariffs. Cool. But yeah, no, I'll be honest, as far as the Space Marine list goes, very cool. As far as the combat patrol goes, I actually kind of vibe with it. I like it. So yeah, overall.
Oh, I forgot the 3 Hammerfall bunkers.
Oh, that's what we're missing. Terrain pieces, of course.
This, of course, does include a codex and a data cards. I know you can't really buy the data cards at the moment, but...
We've put them in there just in case.
In case they get a reprint.
They won't. They're just in case.
In case you find one at a shop.
Yeah, just in case. Somehow you've found one down the cracks of the GW freestanding.
You're not finding that box down the crack, man. It's like that big. It's a weighty box of cards.
Yeah, it really is. Just an enormous waste of paper.
So thoughts on this list?
I'll be honest, I like it. I do like it. And a little bit cheaper than I thought it was going to be as well. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, 10. Great time.
I think it fits the Imperial Fists fluff quite well. The only thing I did look at maybe is you could swap out the Eradicators of Blade Guard. Yeah. They're more Black Templars than Fists. Eradicators, just standing on a wall. I mean, Melter's more Salamanders, but...
The only thing I probably would have done is swap out the Eradicators for another 5-man unit of heavy intercessors.
So what, 15 total?
Yeah. That's the only thing I would have done differently. But that would have also made it more expensive.
Yeah.
Both points and...
no, heavy intercessors are also 100 points.
Oh, right, so on the nose. So, yeah,
it would have been a bit more expensive.
Yeah.
And less variety.
Less variety, but to be honest, with that heavy wall...
He says as someone that's played against 15 heavy intercessors. I haven't actually ran that list since they went up to damage 2.
Are they battle line?
They might be.
So you could run 60?
Yeah, I think I've had this dream before.
Disgusting.
Just imagine trying to chew through that.
60 toughness. I don't even know points wise. Can you do that?
100 points for
5. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, 200 points for 10.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, there's 1,200 points of heavy intercessors, but I've seen worse lists from you. So yeah, fair. Yeah, I mean that is pretty honking. So
it's a lot of minis actually as well.
Yeah, and when they're thick as well. Like you're just overrunning the board with a tide of yellow.
Yeah.
You're literally playing Dawn of War.
I think it'd be quite oppressive to play against because you've essentially got 2 Gladiator Lancers in the corner shooting laser beams in firing lanes. You've got a Repulsor Executioner. Maybe there's got some stuff in it and driving up, shooting its laser beams. And then for good measure, you've got a Balistus that can move around a bit.
Yeah, I think it's got legs. I think the danger is you don't have a very clear target to shoot at. Everything is quite good.
I think it's a good, in terms of the Space Marines, it's good that way, like you're saying, because you go, okay, I'll kill the Repulsor Executioner. Okay, but I'm still going to take 2 laser destructors from the Gladiators to the face.
Oh, and look at all this giant tide of yellow ceramite in the middle.
Look at these 10 Terminators that are quite hard to shift.
Oh, that's another thing, the Terminators, didn't even consider that. Yeah.
But they're,
Gross.
with this list, they're absolutely in deep strike.
Yeah, fair. Yeah, nothing else to say. Yeah, unbelievable.
If you want to buy this list, check out the links down below.
Please do.
Obviously, some of this stuff's new in terms of the combat on Lysander.
Indeed.
The dice, really cool. I was not allowed to buy them.
But you bought them anyway?
Nope.
Oh, you didn't buy them with your own pocket money?
Nope.
You're smiling. Why don't I believe you?
Because I didn't buy them. It makes me sad.
What do you mean it makes you sad?
Because they're really cool.
Well, I've seen you buy loads of pointless stuff before, and it's never stopped you until now.
Well, maybe I'm growing up.
No, let's not run away with that.
Yeah, the dice are cool.
Yeah, they're nice.
I mean, I've got Space Wolves dice.
Yeah, you bought that on the sly. Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, no, if you'd like to buy some Imperial Fist stuff, as Kieran mentioned, click the link down below. That'd be great. Anything that we do get a little bit of a kickback goes back into the pot and helps us make more sweet content. We've got a CPC 4 come up, Patrol Challenge 4. Any new viewers...
Hoping I draw this.
Yeah, any new viewers should go back and watch those videos because they're a bucket of fun. That's not an expression. But yeah,
now.
It is now.
Thank you to our fists.
Fingers that make the fist.
That's worse.
I was like, should I? It's too late. I've done it.
It's the fist of Kieran.
Yeah, the fingers that make the fist. It's so disgraceful.
You've said that publicly on the internet.
Yeah, the internet's forever. There it is. Well, luckily...
There's nowhere we can go after that.
Lucky for me, I've got no shame. Peace and love. Anything else to say?
Respect the trip, Rogel.
There it is. Confirmed. Peace and love, bye.